Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today's EFT session is going to be all about financial stress. Something that I'm sure some of us, or most of us at least, have faced at one point or time or in another. So what is it about financial stress? What is it about money that makes it so hard to hold on to have, or to even get and accumulate? Well, most of the time it comes down to what we believe in ourselves. So if we can start to clear some of those limiting beliefs or what we feel about money itself, we can start to experience more of it, attract more to ourselves, and live a better lifestyle. So join me in this as we tap out some of those limiting beliefs and all those other little bits and pieces that are stopping us from having financial freedom, or just even relieving ourselves of the stress or the worry or the burden caused around money. So we're going to be starting to tap on our karate chop point. Even though it feels as though I cannot hold on to money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And moving up to the top of the head here, even though it feels as though there is never enough money, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though it feels as though I let my fantastic financial opportunities slip away, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though it feels that I may be bad with money, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I see money as the root of all evil, I know that I deeply and completely love and accept myself and value what I am worth. Even though that I feel that I just never have enough of anything, I deeply value myself. I know that I can have enough, and I know that I can and accept more. Even though I sometimes have problems receiving money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have these fears of running out of money or a lack of money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I know that I am worth this. I know that I am worth having money. I know that money is just an energetic value. And because I value myself, I can allow that money to flow into my life effortlessly, easily. And I believe that I can keep and grow my wealth, my value. And I know that material wealth is linked to my self-esteem. So the easier I can get and accumulate and keep money, I know that internally it's the better I feel about myself. The more I value myself, the more self-worth that I have. But just in the opposite, the less money I have or the more money I have to spend doesn't decrease my self-worth or my self-value. In fact, I know sometimes I have to spend money to make money. And that with some of the laws and everything else that we have, the more money I have, the more money I will have to spend. And I am completely okay with that. I don't fear having to spend money because I know that I will accumulate more effortlessly. And I am amazing at finding extra ways to gain more money, to finding more ways of money flowing itself to me. And I'm always grateful, so grateful for the money that I have, and the money that I will have, and the opportunities that money can bring me. opportunities to grow as a person I am and to experience much, much more. And the opportunities to make even more money. Because I use that money to create opportunities for me to live life to the fullest. And I use that money to enhance my skills, my being, to be able to help others experience a fuller life as well. And I know that I am always supported by the universe, by the spirits, even just by the physical people around me. And that there will always be enough to support me. I know that I can feel easier about money. I know I no longer have to let the financial stress get to me. I love that I live this lifestyle, and this lifestyle supports me. I know that I live a life where I can easily accumulate money, and I love that. And I know that I no longer have to feel greedy about accumulating money, because there's always enough for everybody. So why can't I just have that little bit more? That little bit more just to ease my mind and my pressures, and to feel relaxed and calm. And I know that having more money isn't going to change who I am. That having more money isn't going to make me a bad person. And in fact, having more money, I can choose to be a better person and to give more, because I know that I have that much more to give. And I make smarter choices with my money. Smarter choices that allow me to have, give, receive even more. Smarter choices that allow me to enrich the lives of others, not just myself. So that we can all start to live a life that's a bit more peaceful. So I can live a life that I am fully content with. I set free all of those limiting beliefs or ideas or decisions about receiving. And about receiving not just money, but everything that comes to me. All of the good. All of the love, all of the support, all of the happiness, all of the friendships, all of those great opportunities that I know are just waiting for me. Because receiving money is just like receiving anything else. And I allow myself to be open to it. Open to it in the most honest way possible. And I allow others to be open to it as well. Open to it in a way that I am no longer jealous or feel like I am left out if somebody else gains more money than I do. In fact, I celebrate that with them. Celebrate the fact that they are able to ease their financial stress as well. Because while money doesn't make the world go round, it certainly makes it a lot easier. Certainly makes it a lot more stress-free. to know that I have that money there. And to know that I can easily get more. That I can get more. And it's not going to be at anybody else's expense. And just taking that deep breath in. And allowing yourself to just receive. Receive all that you need. Allowing your mind to expand to any of those opportunities where you can accumulate more money, where you can spend it a bit wiser, a bit smarter, so you can increase your opportunities and lessen that financial stress. Okay, that ends our tapping session for today, guys. So I hope this has helped you. If you need to go through this video again, tap it out. And I hope this too jogs your memory or gets you thinking about what it is that's causing you that financial stress. And then you can add that in and tap to that as well. But anyway, guys, that's it for this one. Love to you all. Leave a comment down below on something I may have missed that somebody else might be struggling with financial stress. But anyway, that's it for this one, guys. I will see you in the next video.